the air-conditioned bike. It's attaching it is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Step 1, place fan on bike closer to the back. Step 2, place first hook on bike. Step 3, wrap cord around bike. In this process, the hook may come off. It came off. See, that is a good example. Step 4, pull the bungee till tight and attach to the other side, like so. It may have a little strain. That's normal. It might have a lot of strain. That's also normal. A little strain, that means it's not tight enough. See, step 5, turn on. Step 6, enjoy your ride. Take it from our loving customers.
I love bike. It's cool. It keeps me air conditioned.
He loves his bike. He really
so
does.
Cool. Look, I'm going fast, Poppy. It's not falling off.
They're selling fast. So call now at 618-828-8586.
Call now.
Call now. Oh, they're only on sale for the next 60 seconds.